Okay, here's a review about Tacklife electric wrench or ratchet. Okay, this is the manual. 3.8 power ratchet or wrench. Tacklife is the model number. Okay, and it comes with an extra battery. It's the other way. Okay, lithium-ion 12-volt ampere charger and the socket. In case you are buying these sockets, it's coming inches, not millimeters. That's not clear. It is coming inches. Okay, let's see about this one. Okay, this is the power wrench or ratchet, 12-volt. It has a battery already. This is the lock. Unlock. Okay. It has an LED and you can reverse it. Okay. And the specification is up to 300 rpm, 3.8 ratchet range. They say they can put 40 foot-pound, I think. Let's see in another video how reliable it is.